In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Smartsheet with formatting. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to send your sheet to the printer while keeping your layout, colors, and other visual elements looking as close as possible to what you see on your screen. First, make sure you already have your Smartsheet open in your browser and that it's showing the content you want to print. Take a moment to confirm that the right columns are visible and that any key rows are expanded. Remember, what's visible on your screen is generally what Smartsheet will try to include when you print. Now, look toward the upper left corner of the Smartsheet window and click on the File menu. This is where Smartsheet keeps options related to saving, exporting, and of course, printing. Clicking File will open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Print with the ellipsis. This will open Smartsheet's print setup window. Think of this window as your control center for getting the printed version to match your on-screen formatting as closely as possible. In the print setup window, you'll see a number of fields and options to adjust. This is where you input the details for your printout. Start by choosing the correct printer if you have more than one available on your computer. Then select the page orientation. Landscape is often better for wide sheets with many columns, while portrait works well for narrower layouts. Next, look for settings related to scaling or fit. If your sheet is very wide, you might choose an option like Fit to Width, so all columns stay on one page across, even if that makes the text slightly smaller. This helps preserve the structure and formatting of your sheet. You can also choose the paper size if that's available, such as letter or A4, so it matches the paper loaded in your printer. If there are options to include or exclude grid lines, row numbers, or column names, decide what will make your printed copy easiest to read. Keeping column names visible is usually important for clarity. Some setups also let you choose which date range or which specific rows to print, so double check that the section you want is selected. You'll usually see a preview area in this window. Take a second to glance at it and confirm that your colors, fonts, and general layout look right. If something seems off, adjust the scale or orientation until the preview matches your expectations. Once you're satisfied with all of your print settings, click the OK button. This confirms your choices and sends the job to your printer using the details you just set up. Depending on your system, you may see your standard print dialog appear next, where you can do a final check and then start printing. And that's it. By following these steps and taking a moment to fine-tune the print options, you can print your Smartsheet with formatting that closely matches your on-screen view.